Class begins. Good morning, students.
Good morning, Miss Chow.
Sit down, please. First, let's do some review. Who can answer this question? Okay, you please.
The circle is divided into 8 equal parts. Each part is 1/8 of the circle.
Okay, next question. Okay, you please.
3 red parts are 3/8 of the circle.
Okay, so what's the number 3 or 8 means?
8 is the denominator, and it's how many parts the circle is divided into. And 3 is the number that are shaded.
Shaded are 3 equal parts of all, right? Okay, so I can also say 3/8 equal to what? 3 lots of 1/8, right? Yes. So the fractions like these are non-unit fractions. The denominator means what? Means you stand up, please. Yeah.
How many equal parts there are?
Yeah. What's the meaning of numerator?
How many parts are shaded in?
Yes. Several equal parts which are colored our circle, right? Okay, let's continue to study. There are 4 non-unit fractions. Can you classify? Okay, you try. First group.
The first group would be 5/7 and 5/8 because they have the same numerator.
Yes. And the other group is
If 3/8 and 3/7
Okay.
because they also have the same numerator.
yes. The same what?
Numerator.
Yes, because they have the same numerator. Do you have any other ways to classify them?
5/7 and 3/7.
The first, second,
And 5/8 and 3/8.
5, 8, and because they have
The same denominator.
the same denominators. Right? Okay, sit down, please. So today we will learn something new about this kind of fractions. Compare the 2 fractions with the same denominators and write down your methods. Take out your exercise paper and write down your methods. Okay, I saw a lot of students write this on the paper. Is that a method? No, that's an answer. When we solve some problem, first we find a lot of methods to solve the problem, and then we will guide some answer. According to the answers, we can do some conclusion. So when we studied something, it's the steps to do. Now you write this on the paper. It's an answer, but not a method. What's a method? Maybe you can draw a picture to explain. Can you? Okay, try again. Maybe this is a conclusion, right? You get the conclusion after you, according to the answers. So this is the third steps, right? Okay. Oh, yeah. Very good. Do you have any other ways to solve this? Think about it. First, draw the picture on the blackboard and then explain. Okay. Three is less. The same. 1, 2, 3. Okay, can you explain to us?
So the denominator means that there would be 8 equal parts. So I've drawn 8 equal parts.
Oh, the denominator 8 means 8 equal parts. So you divided the circle into 8 equal parts.
Then, because the numerator is 3, I shaded in 3 of the 8 pieces to make 3 8.
Yes, this is a 3 8s.
Then, in the same way, I divided the circle into 8 equal parts, but because the denominator is 5 this time, I shaded in 5 equal parts.
So definitely, which one is bigger?
This one.
Write down. Okay, thank you. Any other ways to explain? Yes, you please.
This is 3, and that's the numerator. And this is 5, and that's the numerator. And 5 is higher than 3, which makes 5 8s bigger.
Any other way?
5 8s must be bigger because they both have the same denominators.
Yes.
Which means whichever numerator's higher will be the bigger fraction. But if they had different denominators, it would change how big they were. And so that means 5 8s is bigger.
Okay, I know what you mean. Maybe we can write down later. I saw a lot of students draw a picture to explain, right? Okay, I want to know when we draw a picture to explain why, what's the important?
Make sure there's like the correct amount of equal parts.
Yes, divided the whole into equal parts. And anything more? Okay, I will show you a picture. Okay? Divided 8 into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, another pizza. Divided 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Am I right? No, why?
And you need to make sure that each hole's the same size.
Yes, very good. When we draw a picture to explain, we make sure that there are the same hole, right? Okay, the first method to compare this is draw. When we draw a picture, we have to pay attention to the same hole and divided it into equal parts, right? Okay, another way. 3, 8 equal to what? Equal to what?
3 parts of 1/8.
Yes, 3 parts of 1/8. Also, 3 lots of 1/8, right? Okay, then 5/8 equal to what?
5 lots of 1/8.
Say that, please. 5 lots of 1/8, right? Oh, they're all 1/8. But because the sign in math is because 3 less than 5. So the sign in math is so. They are a couple because so. 3/8 smaller than 5/8, right? Yeah. Okay. First, we solve this problem. Then, can you use the way which you like to compare the two fractions? Can you? Okay, try. The second problem. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. So what's this?
This is 3.
This is 3 sevens. And this? Oh, 3 sevens means what? Means I divided a whole into
7 equal parts.
yes. Okay. Oh, also draw a picture according to this, right? Okay, you can get what? The answer. Write down. So, write them on the blackboard, okay? Okay. If you have done in one way, maybe you can try another way, okay? Have you done? Done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They are the same hole. Oh, you draw them together and it's easy to compare, right? Okay. Oh, so it's easy to write than to draw, right? Yes, you find it. Very well done. Right answer. Mm-hmm. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's say this is the first method. Draw a picture. So this picture can be written as 3 sevens. This picture can be written as 5 sevens. So exactly, this one is bigger than this one. Okay, write something. 3 sevens equal to 3 lots of 1 sevens. 5 sevens equal to 5 lots of sevens. You forget something because 3 less than 5. So 5 sevens bigger than 3 sevens. Maybe I can also write 3 sevens less than 5 sevens, right? Okay. Compare the two ways. What can you find?
The answer's the same.
Yes, the answer is the same. So it's just two different ways, but we can get the same answer, right? It's the first find. The boy found something. He tell me he found that he tried this way first. And then he want to try this way. He tried to draw a picture and divided it into several equal parts. He found it's maybe a little difficult than this one, than right? Maybe now you can't find this. If I want you to compare 60 draw a picture, divided it into 60 equal parts. It's difficult, right? Okay, to be a little teacher, please write the two fractions on here, my problems. Just write two fractions, the same denominator, but different numerator, right? Copy your partner's fractions. Write them on my partner's problem, right here. Then you have two problems to solve, right? Okay, then write down the answers of the two problems. Try. Write down the answer, this answer and this answer. Oh, yeah. Maybe you can think in your heart and then write down the answer. Okay. Which one is bigger? Yes, this is 5 lots of 1 6. This is 3 lots of 1 6. So 5 is bigger than 3. So this one is bigger, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So is that better? So
Yes, I like this. Thank you. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Who would like to share your problem and answer?
It was 2 over 9.
Please, louder.
2 over 9
2 over 9,
and 5 over 9.
5 over 9, and which one is bigger?
2 over 9 is less than 5 over.
Okay, another one.
And 4 over 8 and 3 over 8.
Which one?
And 4 over 8 is greater than 3 over 8.
Okay, sit down, please. Any other? You, please.
I did 8 out of 60 and 9 out of 60.
8 out of 16.
60.
60. Oh, it's big. Okay?
And 9 out of 60.
9 out of 60.
9 is greater than 8, so because they have the same denominator, 9 60ths. It's 9 lots of 1/60ths and 8 lots of 1/60ths.
Yes, it's 8 lots of 60. It's 9 lots of 60. 8 less than 9. So 8 60 less than 9 60. Right?
Yeah.
Oh, very good. You all have a lot of answers. Right? According to the answers, what can you find? Try to say. Oh, these answers. Small. Bigger. Conclusion. It's time to make a conclusion. What can you find according to these answers? Oh, you please.
If the denominators are the same, the larger numerator is always greater than the smaller numerator.
Yeah. Say. Right? Okay, sit down, please. So, I can say when we compare the value of fractions with the same denominator, the bigger the numerator, the bigger the fraction. It's our conclusion, right? According to the conclusion, we can do exercises, right? Okay, let's do some exercises. One, two, three. Oh, let's check. When she's right, clap your hands one time to tell me you agree with her. Okay? Okay. This one. I have a problem. Oh, according to the conclusion, you can do the exercise very quick because they have the same denominator, just compare the numerator. This one is bigger, so this one is bigger, right? I have a problem. But they don't have the same denominator. Why?
Because that number on the left is a whole.
Oh, here is a whole, but this fraction express what?
That's 7/9.
Yes, 7 part of the whole, right? So this is a whole, this is a part. Actually, whole is bigger than part. Oh, any other explain? Oh yeah, you please.
If that was 9/9, it would be one whole as well. So one whole is definitely bigger than 7/9 because it's not 9/9, it's 7/9, and that's smaller.
I can also write 1 into 9/9. So they have the same denominator. 9 is bigger than 7, so this one is bigger than this one, right? Okay. The next exercise. Oh, right on the line. Yes, just use the sign bigger than. Okay. Oh, this is what happened to this fraction. Yes, better. Okay, 1, 2, 3. According to the conclusion, not only to compare two fractions, but also can compare more, even if they have the same denominator, right? Okay, the last challenge. Can you read for us?
There are 2 pencils with the same length. One is red and the other is blue. Tom has used 4/9 of the blue one and Mary has used 7/9 of the red one. Those pencils longer now.
Whose pencil is longer now? Write down the name. Write down the name. If your answer is Tom, hands up. Okay, Tom. If your answer is Mary, hands up. Okay, Tom. And why the students think Mary is less than the student think Tom? Can you explain to us? Can you?
Mary is less than Tom's pencil because she has used a greater fraction of the pencil than Tom.
I can compare the two fractions. Why Mary is bigger?
Tom is going to be bigger because he's used less of the pencil, so there's more of it.
Oh, the fraction expressed was expressed used. So left. Which one is longer? Which one? Tell me together. Tom. Tom. Okay. So conclusion. What have you learned from this lesson? Write down on your paper. I will give you 10 numbers. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, put your paper to this person. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, class is over. Goodbye, students. Goodbye, Miss Chow. Sit down, please.